Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino. These are still my adventures. This is still the first day of the rest of your life. And hit the subscribe, the like, notification bell, and share with a friend. I'd like to thank all you guys for your support. I got some hardcore groupies out there that love you guys. Love you guys. But we gotta go to the flip side of this coin. I'm always talking about how cool and how great Colombia is, and it is. It is. But it's not Omaha. It's not Albuquerque. It's not New York. It's not LA. It's not Amarillo. It's not Phoenix. It's not Scottsdale. There's a lot of things that you can't do here. You can't get in your car, drive 10 blocks to a FedEx or UPS or US Mail and decide which one of the three you want to put it on. FedEx works pretty good here. Serve Entrega works pretty good here. But if you're going to send something from the States down here, I had them calculate a box for me. 2 by 2 by 20 pounds was going to be $600 from Albuquerque to Bucaramanga. So, guys, there's things you can't do here. And I see people trying to get in the same wreck all the time that come down here as expatriates. Or just want to live, or whatever you want to call yourself. Get on these forums and they talk to each other about, well, where do you find this that's made in America? Where do you find that we get in America? Where can you do this that we get in America? Where's a great place for American this? And well, guys, you're not in America. You're in Colombia. It's all different here. And if you come down here wanting to be in an enclave of Americans, what's the point? You got to assimilate into the culture, or you're just doing it for cheap. And there's a lot more things down here to do than just for cheap. The healthy lifestyle, the healthy food, the healthy climate. You know, bureaucrats down here are idiots, just like bureaucrats anywhere. And somebody will hear that and make it harder for my visa to come out than it already is. I mean, it's just, I don't know who in the hell thought up, let's isolate everybody and they can only contact government agencies through the freaking website that never works, and you're not going to get to talk to a human being. I don't know if that's going on in the States, but I'm pretty sure you're on hold for 2 hours for anything you want to talk about. It's just, what happened to human interaction, boys and girls? It's not there. It's not here either. But I got sidetracked. My whole point is what's better known as an advertencia. A warning for you people that want to come down here. Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's inexpensive. Yes, it's a different country. No, there's some things that you can't do. No, there's some things that you can't get. Don't get your panties in a wad. It's a different country. Come on, guys. Don't beat me up because I can't find you a girlfriend. Go on LatinCupid.com. That's where I found mine. Oh, I want to rant, but I'll be nice. I mean, I get beat up a little bit every now and then, but I'm just human, just like everybody. And I'm an old guy, and my hard drive's full. I have to defrag it about twice a day. Anyway, guys, if you want to come down here, you don't just want to sell everything and move down here, and I've said that 100 times. What you need to do is you need to come down here. And of course, everybody's going to want to go to Medellin, Cartagena, Bogota, Cali, la. If you like big cities, ooh yeah. if you like a little more of a rural atmosphere, you need to talk to Gino. It's cheaper out here too. But don't sell all your stuff and come down here. Get a plane ticket, come down here, stay a week, stay 2 weeks, stay a month, stay 2 months, whatever, and see what you're going to expect. You know, don't stay at a 5-star hotel in the big city. That's not Colombia. Hell, that's not America. Try a Motel 6 in the sticks. You get to see what America's like. So, I guess I needed to make that point because I hope I haven't misled anybody. It's a beautiful, wonderful, beautiful, wonderful country. It has its faults. Don't get me wrong. Every country on this planet does. But in my situation, they're sure bearable. I mean, look at it. It's December the 1st. It's 78 degrees at 11 o'clock in the morning. I pulled up the webcam for Albuquerque a couple hours ago. It was 32 or 38 or I don't know how cold it was, but it just looked cold and dismal, brown, dry. The only thing that wasn't happening was the wind wasn't blowing. But it will. It's New Mexico. It will. We have no wind here, rarely have any wind at all. Have rain quite regularly, and it shows with all the greenery. That has its drawbacks too. That's hard on your lungs with a lot of humidity. It's hard to keep the mosquitoes out sometimes. There are a few, not many. Mold and mildew problems. Yeah, you don't have that in New Mexico. I mean, hell, they get more rain here in a week than New Mexico gets in a whole freaking year. So, with that being said, guys, just do your homework. Pay attention. Don't believe everything I say. Verify what I say. It's verifiable. Believe me, it's verifiable. And this is too. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. And if nothing changes, nothing's going to change. But just don't jump off the cliff without looking to see if there's any water in the pond. If nothing changes, nothing changes. I got a really good quote yesterday. When you're going through trouble, a person that's going through hard times is exemplar, and if they don't make the hard times harder. I don't know if that came out or not. But sometimes we're going through hard times and we throw gas on the fire. Don't do it. Remember, God loves you. I'll see you. God will see you on the flip side.